Today's video is on the top 3 best oil floor coverings for garage floor. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Drymate Premium Maintenance Oil Spill Garage Floor Mat. Struggling to keep your garage floor clean and protected from messy spills? The oil floor covering for garage floors is specifically designed to tackle all your toughest maintenance challenges while keeping your workspace in top shape. Crafted from patented Drymate material, this covering is more than just a mat. It's a full surface protector that traps spills, absorbs liquids, and keeps your garage clean. No matter what maintenance job you're handling, this mat helps you avoid unsightly stains and slick surfaces by locking in liquids and wicking away moisture to keep things dry and safe. Wondering how it handles those tricky leaks? The oil floor covering comes with a waterproof backing that blocks all types of tough automotive fluids like motor oil, brake fluid, gasoline, and coolant. This backing prevents liquids from soaking through and damaging your floor or staining it permanently, keeping your garage looking pristine even after the messiest tasks. And for added convenience, the slip-resistant backing keeps the mat firmly in place while you work, meaning no more constant adjustments or worrying about slipping hazards. It stays put, giving you the confidence to get things done safely. Built to be durable and reusable, this mat is made from high-quality, absorbent polyester fibers that stand up to the toughest spills repeatedly. Unlike single-use disposable mats, this heavy-duty covering can handle anything you throw its way without sacrificing performance. Choosing this mat means reducing waste as it eliminates the need for constant replacement. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly option that aligns with sustainable practices while offering the lasting reliability you need in your garage. And when it's time to clean up, the oil floor covering makes maintenance a breeze. Just scrub the mat with soap, rinse it off with a hose, and hang it to dry. No bleach required. This easy-to-clean feature keeps your mat looking fresh, functional, and ready for whatever project comes next, sparing you the hassle of replacing mats or dealing with lingering stains. This mat is proudly made in the USA from high-quality recycled materials. The absorbent top layer is crafted from over 50% recycled fibers, which not only makes it eco-conscious, but also highly efficient at trapping spills. The waterproof bottom layer is made from polyolefin, providing a strong barrier without harmful chemicals. Free from phthalates and BPA, it's safe for you and the environment, a responsible choice for any garage. Overall, the oil floor covering for garage floors combines all the best features for a high-performance garage mat. It protects your surfaces, helps reduce waste, and provides an easy-to-maintain, eco-friendly solution for a cleaner, safer workspace. It's a smart upgrade that'll keep your garage in pristine condition and ready for all your maintenance tasks, big or small. Hit that subscribe button like you're trying to wipe oil off your hands. Number 2. Best overall. Armor All Original Garage Floor Mat. Looking for a way to keep your garage floor looking fresh, clean, and protected? This garage floor mat does exactly that. It's designed to transform your garage into showroom quality while safeguarding your floor from everyday wear and tear. This mat is your answer to keeping oil leaks, spills, and tire marks from taking a toll on your garage floor. Plus, it works wonders in covering up any cracks, stains, or imperfections. Imagine a garage that looks new every time you step inside, but this mat does more than just protect your garage floor. It's multifunctional and can completely change the look and feel of your space. Want a dedicated exercise room, or maybe a party-ready zone or a playroom for the kids? This mat has you covered with a soft carpet-like feel. It's inviting to walk on, making it perfect for transforming your garage or basement into an extra living area. It's like adding a whole new room to your house. When it comes to handling spills, this mat is a pro. It's made from patented absorbent fabric, so it easily soaks up any liquids while wicking moisture away to keep the surface dry. Plus, the waterproof backing keeps liquids from soaking through and causing damage to the floor underneath. With a slip-resistant backing, the mat stays put, no matter what activities are happening on it, ensuring safety and stability. Setting up the mat is a breeze thanks to the included roll of double-sided tape. Start by making sure your surface is clean and dry. Next, roll out the mat, unfold it with the fabric side up, and position it as desired. Then, use the double-sided tape underneath to secure the mat in place. While you might notice a few wrinkles initially, don't worry. These will gradually relax and smooth out over time. Need a custom fit? The mat can be easily cut to size with a pair of scissors, and it's designed to resist fraying or splitting, even after trimming. Cleaning and maintaining this mat couldn't be easier. When it's time to freshen it up, just vacuum, spot clean, hose off, or power wash it with a mild detergent. Skip the bleach, but feel free to squeeze or use a wet vac for faster drying if needed. This mat is designed to withstand regular maintenance, making it a low-hassle addition to your home. Proudly made in the USA, this mat is crafted with durability in mind. The top layer is a high-quality, non-woven polyester fabric, which includes over 50% recycled fibers, making it an eco-friendly choice. The bottom layer features a waterproof backing made from polyolefin, giving you long-lasting protection, and it's safe for the whole family, phthalate and BPA free. This isn't just a mat, it's a game changer for your garage, adding function, style, and durability while protecting your floors and creating new possibilities for how you use your space. Number 1, our pick. Rust-Oleum Rock Solid Polycuramine Garage Oil Floor Coating. Ready to give your concrete surfaces a total transformation? This durable polycuramine concrete coating is just the thing to bring new life, durability, and elegance to your spaces. From garage floors to workshops, basements, and even family rooms, this coating isn't limited to one use. It's versatile enough to refresh a wide range of interior concrete surfaces, giving them a professional, showroom quality finish that lasts. One of the standout features of this product is its self-leveling and buildable formula. Unlike typical coatings, this one fills in minor cracks and imperfections, leveling itself as you apply it to ensure a smooth and even surface. And it's not just strong, it's built to be 20 times stronger than epoxy. This durability makes it an ideal choice for areas that see a lot of wear and tear. With its low odor and low VOC content, you can apply it indoors with ease, creating a safer environment during application. Its unique 2-part burst pouch makes mixing incredibly simple, even if you're new to concrete coatings. Just burst, mix, and you're ready to apply. No complex mixing steps are required. The application process is designed to be quick and efficient, so you can get back to using your space as soon as possible. Within just 8 to 10 hours, the surface is safe to walk on, meaning you won't have to deal with days of drying time. In only 24 hours, it's strong enough to handle vehicle traffic, so you can drive right onto your newly transformed garage floor the next day. Each kit provides enough coverage for up to 500 square feet, giving you the flexibility to coat a large area with one kit. Just keep in mind that the coverage may vary based on your surface's porosity. Some concrete surfaces may absorb a bit more product if they are highly porous. Not only does this coating deliver a glossy, terrazzo-inspired finish, but it also resists some of the toughest challenges floors face: cracking, peeling, and chemical spills. Plus, it's specially formulated to handle hot tire pickup, so you don't have to worry about your car's tires leaving marks. Just one coat is all it takes to create a lasting showroom quality floor that's as beautiful as it is durable. Whether you're updating a high-traffic garage or adding a bit of flair to your basement, this coating can help you create a space you'll love for years. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.